If you want to get Instagram profile score from ChatGPT, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your app store, Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and download ChatGPT. Or if you already downloaded, make sure that you update it to the latest version. Next, go to your Instagram and make sure that your Instagram is fully updated to the latest version as well. Now what you're gonna do, open up your Instagram, right? And then basically what you're gonna do next, go ahead and click your profile at the bottom, right? And take a screenshot of your profile, right? So I'm gonna take a screenshot, right? Now go back to your screen, go ahead to ChatGPT. Now you gotta wait for a few moments and just add the picture by clicking the plus button at the bottom left. Attach the photo. Gonna wait. I'm gonna add this photo. Hit add at the top right, and then just type give my profile score on IG. Forward it. You're gonna wait for a few moments and you're gonna see the response right here. It says right here, I cannot directly analyze or score your Instagram profile from the screenshot. However, I can offer general tips to improve your profile engagement, profile picture, keep it clear, bio, content, engagement, okay, in the highlights. So basically, that's it, all right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.